Hello guys, it's Cuckoo here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I make my chocolate banana smoothie. It's delicious, it's creamy, and it has chocolate. It's especially dedicated to all you chocolate lovers out there. Watch the video, enjoy it, and make the smoothie. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome! Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, the red button beneath the video. Like the video, comment, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. This smoothie tastes really good with Greek yogurt. So if you have Greek yogurt, please go ahead and use it. It's much better than the plain normal yogurt. But again, make sure it's actually plain Greek yogurt, not flavored or with any sugar in there. Then I throw some ice in to give it the chill factor, and I blend again. And there you have it, chocolate banana smoothie. Creamy, delicious, and ready to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't yet done that. And I'll see you guys on my next video. It's bye for now from me, and see you later.